morning, everybody. Let's do this.
2 minutes at the top of the hour, you heard Facebook Live. We're up mostly.
All right, FTFT.
Anywhere between 1/4% and 0.5%, which is off the high.
Okay, so guys and gals, like we talked about yesterday, the overall broad sector looks to be volatile again. A pretty heavy list of names. You could see that the last two watch lists have been pretty good, at least pretty thick. There are a few names on that list I also included, and there's a couple I have excluded. So one of those names that I excluded was Solo, and you know what just showed up on my list with volume right now is SCS. So HEPA is starting to rally up.